Hey guys, welcome back. Let's jump right into it. The wig that I'm using in today's video is from Chinalacewig. You guys know I have done several videos or reviews on Chinalacewig, so this is nothing new to my channel. So this wig is a 14-inch 360 lace frontal bob. I did go ahead and use the Sally Hansen leg makeup, of course, to tint the lace because that is a must. This is a pre-plucked lace frontal wig, as you guys can see. It does come with about 4 inches of parting space, which is awesome. I am going to be doing a curve part on this wig. I am really here for some of these wig companies that is stepping it up with these pre-plucked hairlines and these bleached hairlines. Come through, honey. Loving it. I did not pluck this hairline at all. Didn't even touch the hairline with a pair of tweezers. Like, that's just how much I am here for this pre-plucked hairline. Like, girl, oh, this looks so freaking good. Of course, I have to add my wax stick to the hairline because it just smooths out the hair and it just makes everything look so much better. So I'm just going to smooth out the hair, play around with the hairline. Of course, I like to use baby hairs because it definitely helps with hiding the lace so it's not as visible. Now, one thing I am not here for is this style, honey. This bob looks a hot mess. So I'm just going to add some curls to it and see what I come up with. So yeah, this wig is a perfect fit. I did not have any issues with the wig not fitting. The combs are placed perfectly on this wig. The lace is perfect. Like, everything about this wig is perfect except for the hairstyle. So just adding some curls to the hair will definitely transform any type of wig. So if you're not feeling the original texture of the hair, girl, throw you some curls in there, okay? I am just really amazed at how good this pre-plucked hairline is coming through right now. Like, this is absolutely amazing. The simple fact that I did not touch a pair of tweezers is like beyond me right now. This wig definitely did not take a whole lot of effort to make it look better. I did not like the wig straight out of the package. Besides the hairline, you guys know I love the hairline, but the hair just wasn't, I wasn't feeling it, so I had to add some curls in it, and now I am feeling it. This is a really nice pre-plucked bob wig. I don't think I have any bob wigs that come pre-plucked like this, so if you're a bob girl, you want to try this wig out because the hairline is A1. If you want to purchase this wig, you already know everything will be below. For watching.